Hey man, real quick, have you ever thought about what it actually means to be wealthy? Like, yeah, we all want money, but Sahil Bloom says wealth is so much more than just cash in the bank. And honestly, most of us are only chasing one type, while ignoring the other four. That's why even after hitting goals, something still feels off. Let me break it down, simple and straight. 5 types of wealth. 5 ways to actually feel rich in life. And I'll share what Sahil says you can do to build each one. 1. Financial wealth. Freedom over fear. This one's obvious. Money. But Sahil says real financial wealth means you have options. You can walk away from a bad job, say no without guilt. Sleep without stressing about bills. Buy freedom, not things. Sahil Bloom. Fact. 59% of adults still stress about unexpected expenses, even if they earn well. So what should you do? Track your income and spending. Build an emergency fund. Start small. Invest in assets that grow, not things that just look good. Automate your savings. Freedom beats flexing, always. 2. Time wealth, owning your hours. Let me ask, do you run your day or does your day run you? Because if you're always busy, always rushing, but never fulfilled, you're not time rich. Sahil says, if it's not a hell yes, it's a no. Fact. 80% of people feel time poor. Too many to-dos, too little peace. What to do? Block out focused time and protect it. Start saying no to unnecessary stuff. Make space for rest, hobbies, and people. Treat time like money. Invest it, don't waste it. Busy isn't the goal, freedom is. 3. Physical wealth, your energy account. What's the point of money and time if your body's always tired? If your body breaks, everything else breaks too. Sahil Bloom. Fact. 60% of deaths worldwide are linked to preventable lifestyle diseases. What Sahil recommends: sleep 7 to 8 hours a night, walk 10,000 steps a day, strength train 2-3 times per week, eat real food, not just fast food, stay consistent, not perfect, small habits equals long life. 4. Mental wealth, peace of mind. You ever feel drained even when everything looks fine? That's a mental wealth issue. Because without clarity and emotional stability, no achievement feels good. Sahil says, build internal peace before chasing external success. Fact. Mental health issues cost over $1 trillion globally every year. Try this. Journal, 1 win, 1 stress, 1 gratitude daily. Meditate for 10 minutes. Unfollow toxic content on social media. Replace I have to with I get to. Mental strength is a superpower. Build it like a muscle. 5. Social wealth, the people who matter. Followers and likes don't mean connection. Ask yourself who really shows up when you're down. Find the people who clap when you win. You expect. Distance yourself from negative, draining people. Invest in people who invest in you. Your circle equals your energy. Quick recap. 5 wealths, 5 daily moves. Wealth type, quick action today. Financial, invest, spend wisely. Own your day, say no. Physical, sleep, move, fuel your body. Mental, one thing you're grateful for. Influence, wealth isn't just your net worth, it's your life worth. And Sahil's message is clear. You don't need to wait to become rich, you just need to start investing in all 5 areas, little by little, every day. Maybe you're already wealthier than you think, you just weren't counting it right. Inspired by the 5 types of wealth by Sahil Bloom. See you soon. Don't forget like and subscribe.